Yo, what's up, everyone? Doing some brake pads today. Got the fronts. Gonna be doing the backs. Starting on the back first. Do the fronts. But yeah, this is how we doing it. But anyways, I just want to make this video and show you guys for the rear brake pads. I got the Motorcraft Heavy Duty. That's the part number you need right there. I already took them off. Now these pads, they're steel pads. The Phalonic pads are the same design as this, but they're much smaller. As you can see, this pad is pretty worn. This is the inner pad. And this is the outer pad. It's time. It is time. Now for the town cars, the Grand Marquises, and some Crown Victorias, they're going to have the steel caliper piston. The Phalonic piston is much smaller in diameter, and that's for the police interceptors, for the Crown Victorias. So, yeah. Gonna be doing some brake pads. These are the front brake pads. OEM. FOMOCO. Stands for Ford Motor Company. All four of them. That's the part number for the front brake pads on the 98 through 02. And these are the rear brake pads. Super Duty. Motorcraft. But enough of ranting. I'm going to go ahead and get these guys installed. And I'll bring you back when it's done. Alright guys. Got the new brake pads in. Changed out the hardware. Greased up the pins. Took the pin apart and I put some of this grease in it. And now I'm going to put the bolts back on. I put some thread lock on it. That's really going to be it. Well, ain't nothing to it. These rotors are still in good shape. There's no carving, no pitting. Whoops. Two 10mm bolts. Take the caliper off. Alright. Well, that's gonna do it, guys. Just want to make this video, show you the different comparisons to Phalonic and steel. And that's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.